an email to verify your email. You're going to get an email in your box to verify your email. Then you can proceed with logging in. And when you want to log in, you click on the login button. All right. Now, before we proceed or before we go out of this page, all right, you need to know one thing. You can see here, any member of the public can create an account. Kindly note you will be a director, trustee, or a proprietor partner during the registration process. Please provide necessary details. So if you are creating an account here, it means that you're one of the owners of the business you're trying. If you want to be the sole owner of it, or you have partners, all right, it means you're part of it. So any detail you're entering here is going to be part of the business name registration, all right, unless you want to be an accredited agent, because the CAC has availability for that, where you can actually become an accredited agent of CAC if you're a lawyer, accountant, or you know, and you so what you need to do is select this field. So accredited agent type, you select the one that is suitable. There you move on and make payment. I think you need to pay about 10,000 naira. I'm not sure completely, but you can check that out. So but if you don't want to be an agent or anything, just go ahead and fill it, and you're going to be part of the business name registration. Okay, all right, so let's move on to the login page. So this is the login page. Okay, all right, I already have an account, so I'm just going to log in with my account. Right, of course you will know my password. Okay, so that's it. Okay, I think it wants me to confirm this, that. All right, so this is what your dashboard would look like when you have logged in. You're gonna see the name reservations, you're gonna see the registrations, the ones that have been registered pending approval, the ones that are registered. Okay, that's it. So basically the first thing you need to do here, if you have checked that the name you want to register, it's okay, it hasn't been registered using the public search feature, you come here, you click on new name reservation. All right, so you read up all of this, is very important, and then you take one step at a time. So you need to, the classification of what you want to register is a business name, not a company name. Specific type, let's say it's a sole proprietor, meaning it's for only you, you're the only one who's gonna be on it. So here is the proposed names. You need to put the Devon Technologies and Devon Technology right here, option 2, and then you save and continue. It takes you to the objectives. Okay, let's see. Devon Technology, and okay, let's do that right. Devon Technologies. All right, so you save and continue. It goes to step 2, where you put the objectives of the business. Now this is the reason for availability search. You want to new incorporation or registration, as you want to register. All right, nature of the business you want to register, what kind of business is it that you want to register. You look through the suggested answers here. Information and communication, put it there. Nature of the business, computer programming consultancy, and all right, you can put that there. Now additional remarks is not compulsory, because anyone that has the red asterisks means it is compulsory to fill. All right, you don't have to, so you save and continue. It goes to the third one, where you preview all of the things you've entered. Devon Technologies, all this. So if you're sure that everything you have here are okay, all right, so all you need to do is save and continue. Right here you will be required to make the payment of 500 naira through remitter. All right, so that's it. It's non-refundable. So please note, you will not be allowed to make modification after payment. So if you want to make modification at this point, go back and go back and make your modification. All right, make your changes before you proceed to make payment. All right, so that's it. Once you have made payment, it will take within 24 to 48 hours for you to get a response, because I'm actually amazed at how fast they respond to stuff. So once you are done with that, you wait for 24 to 48 hours and you get an email with an availability code. It's called availability code. It will show if your name, any of the two names you've put in, are approved. Then any of the two names is approved, you'd be sent an availability code to go on and register. So all you need to do, once you have the availability code, you come here to the registration part. This is just what we just